All right, so this is Mr. Donovan once again from Ghana. Let's look into details what the markets have for us. So, with this very video, we are going to take about 3 minutes to explain more into details. So, one thing is the video title is Understanding Market Structure. Understanding Market Structure. So, looking at this, we were looking at this. This was what I was looking at. This and this was supposed to fall towards this very level, but it didn't, indicating breaking this low, which is this very low, indicating that this support low indicates something, telling us something else is going to happen. So could it be this, where we get price shoot up to this very high, then price fall back to this very low, and then we will be getting price going up? There is many possibilities to this very high. This is possibility one. Let's move on to the possibility two. So note this very resistance here is also a point to consider. So in our analysis, of which we just open our eyes and watch very well. So the possibility one is done. But for sure, this very one is going to go up. That one is for sure. But until price gets here, we can't really tell what's going to happen. So depending on how price will move, that is what is going to tell us what is going to happen. So this is what possibility two also is. The possibility one is entirely price going up. Possibility two is when we have this in play and this is going to go down completely. It's going to go down completely. That's the possibility two. That has only been the two possibilities we are looking at when it comes to understanding price movements. So that is it for now. Thank you.